If you're seeing the Base44 error unhandled exception input mapper, don't worry, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you the fastest way to check what's causing it and how to roll back the last action safely. This kind of error can usually be traced by opening the browser developer tools, checking the console, and then using the built-in AI chat to help identify or resolve the issue. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, press F12 on your keyboard to open the developer tools. If you're on a laptop and F12 doesn't work right away, you may need to hold the FN key too. Once the developer tools are open, go to the console tab. This is where you'll see any errors, warnings, or messages related to the Base44 app. Look carefully for anything mentioning unhandled exception, Inputmapper, or any related failure that appears when the page loads or when you perform the action that triggers the issue. If you see a clear error message, copy it or read it closely, because that information is what you'll use next. Now, use the inbuilt AI chat inside Base44 to help troubleshoot the error. Open the AI chat panel, paste in the error details if needed, and ask it to explain what is causing the unhandled exception Inputmapper issue and what should be changed. Keep your prompt short and direct so it can give you the most relevant fix. If the AI suggests a correction, follow that suggestion and test the app again. If the error disappears, great, you've found the cause. If you still want to undo the last change or the issue started right after a recent prompt, use the Revert option. Go to the last prompt or the most recent action in your Base44 workflow and click the Revert button underneath it. This will roll back the last change and can quickly restore the previous working state. After reverting, refresh the page and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, reverting the last prompt is the fastest way to recover from a bad change or a broken input mapping. So to recap, press F12, check the console for errors, use the built-in AI chat to help resolve the issue, and if needed, click the Revert button under the last prompt to undo the action. If this saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more simple fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.